How to unfollow the people who don't follow you on Instagram. If any day any of you are an Instagram user and in your very Instagram you would like to unfollow the people that have not followed you in Instagram, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the very Instagram application on your mobile device. You can tap on Instagram on your mobile device after you find the very Instagram application and then go to the profile section on the down portion. After you tap on the profile section on the down portion, now first of all you have to know those people whom you have followed but the people that have not followed you on the Instagram. Now for that you can scroll down. Now those people who have not followed you in Instagram, what will happen is the people will be shown on the option that you have only followed. So you have to just scroll down and first of all you have to find the very person that you have followed on the very Instagram but the person has not followed you on the Instagram. If you directly do not find it, you can also go to the option of the very creators there and tap on the option of the creators. Now after you tap on the option of the creators as well, now you can see the various kind of people that you have just followed on the Instagram but the person has not followed you on the Instagram. But if you do not find it, what you can do is from here you can again go to the option of the following there, and otherwise what you can do is in the search icon as well you can find the very person that has you have followed but the person has not followed, and you can tap on the option like this and then go to the option of unfollow like this. So after you go to the option of unfollow like this, the very person that you have followed on the Instagram, you can just unfollow the person because the person did not follow you back. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it and if you find our video to be meaningful to you, do not forget to subscribe our channel.